In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send high-priority email in Outlook. High-priority email is useful when you need your message to stand out in a crowded inbox. It doesn't speed up delivery, but it does flag the message with a red exclamation mark so recipients immediately see it's important. Use it thoughtfully so people continue to trust that the flag really means urgent. Start by opening Classic Outlook, the new Outlook, or Outlook on the web. Begin a new message just like you normally would. Click New Email in the desktop app or New Message in the web version to open a blank Compose window. Add your recipients, write a clear subject line, and type your message. A brief subject that states the action or deadline can help your readers scan quickly and respond faster. Next, locate the importance controls. In Classic Outlook on Windows, look toward the top of the message window for the ribbon. You'll find a section called Tags. If you don't see it right away, click the Message tab, and if it's not there, check the Options tab. Sometimes the Tags group lives there depending on your layout. In the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, the same control appears on the Compose toolbar, often as a red exclamation icon. If your window is narrow, you may need to expand it or click More Options to reveal the icon. Once you've found it, set the message to high importance by clicking the High Importance button, the one that looks like a red exclamation mark. You should see a visual cue in your Compose window confirming it's marked high. If you click it by mistake, click it again to turn it off. This is different from sensitivity labels or delivery options where only flagging importance here. When you're ready, click Send. Your recipient will see the red exclamation mark next to the subject in their inbox, helping your message stand out. Some email clients may also highlight the message, but the key effect is that urgent indicator in the subject line. Remember, the high priority flag doesn't guarantee an immediate response, so pair it with a clear subject and concise, actionable content. Use this feature sparingly for truly time-sensitive items, keep your subject line specific, and consider a brief follow-up in chat if the matter is extremely urgent. Thanks for watching.